Let us now proceed and check out the switch statement in Java along with the break keyword. So for that, let us now take our discussion to the next level. After we have assigned the grade to the student, the teacher wants to give him the remark as well. So as per the grade he has assigned, the teacher wants to give him some remark. So in this case, we are going to use the switch case statement in order to assign him some remark. So for that, we will write a program to provide remark to the student based on his grade. So let us continue our program further. At the top, we used the if-else-if ladder statement. So let us use this grade that we have got to explore the switch case statement in Java. Now the syntax to use the switch statement is to simply use the switch keyword and then give it a space and then use the bracket open and bracket close. Now inside the switch, you need to write a constant value. Now this constant value here in our case is actually grade. Now since we have got the grade of C, so as per the grade we have to give remark to the student. So within the switch, let us use grade. And then as usual, give it a space, bracket open and close, and that too a curly bracket, and within the block let us write our case. Now in order to write the case, we again need to use the case keyword. Now the first case is actually the grade of A. What to do if the student has got the grade of A? Whenever we write the case at the end, we need to end it with the colon, and then we need to write our code here. Now our second case will be for case of grade B, and then end it with the colon followed by our code that we will write shortly. And then again I will write the case for C, D and also F. And now let us write our code. So let us remove this comment line and hit enter. So in the second line, let us write the print statement excellent score in case of grade A. And for the grade B, let us print out something else. Very good score. And in case of grade C, let us use good score but you can do better. For grade D, average score, so you need to work hard. And at last we have case F. And here we have you have failed as a remark. And now at the end, let us now run the code and let's see how we are going to get the output. So here you can notice we have some weird output. Now this grade C is the output of the if-else-if ladder statements. And here we have some output due to the switch case statement. We have got the remark as good score, you can do better, average score, work hard, and also you have failed. Now since our grade is C, so how come we are getting the remark of grade D and also grade F? So in case of switch statement, what happens is that when we run the code, so the execution first starts with case A. So it simply compares the value of grade as if the grade is A, then execute this statement. But this condition actually false and this statement is not executed. Then control comes to B. Now since our grade is C, so again it is false. So this statement is again not executed. But when it comes to case C, since our grade is actually C, then this statement is actually executed. But further, when this case becomes true, then case D, case F are also executed. So we need to find a solution for that. So for that we have something called the break statement. So we need to use the break keyword followed by a semicolon. So when this case becomes true, then this statement will be executed and break keyword again will be executed. So when this break is executed, the control will fall after the switch statement here, which means that the case D and case F will not be executed, which are getting executed right now. So let us now run the code and let's see if we are able to get the desired output or not. So here we go, grade C, and then we have good score, you can do better. So after we have got the case C, this statement is executed and we are simply breaking out of the switch case statement. Now what if our grade is A? So here as well you need to use the break keyword. Now similarly in all the case as well, you need to use the break keyword. So let us add the break keyword in all the case. So always remember to use the break keyword in each of the case when you are using the switch statements. Now, what if I change the value of grade? Let us change the value of grade to, let's say, X. So earlier our grade was actually C, but now it is changed to X. Let us now run the code. So here we don't have any output from the switch case statement. Now just because we have not written any case for the grade X, right? So for that, similar to the if-else-if conditional statement, we also need to write the default condition that if nothing works out, then simply execute the else part like we are doing it here, else part without any condition. So here inside the switch statement as well at the end, let us write the default code by using the default keyword only. And then after this, let us write our code system.out.println invalid grade. If you run the code right now, you will now get the invalid grade in the output console just because our grade was X and for X we have not defined any case right in front of us. And now let us remove this code. Let us run it again. And yes, we are now done with our switch case statement.